Okay, I'm back, and I have a staple. So let's make sure this piece is on the right way, right? This is facing down. That's correct. This has to be facing up so that that thing can snap in. Then we're going to lock it in place. But of course, locked in place doesn't mean as much when it's broken. I gotta get, I mean, I had a, alright, so this is a little bit wider, did it by eye, so we're gonna straighten this out. We're gonna bend it here. Hope I can show you that. Alright. That is a mechanical repair. Why is this giving me so much grief? Ta-da! That's pretty good. Now, is it perfect? No. But it's probably going to hold. Probably going to work. Hopefully. Now, let's see. This goes like that. This is not glued in. Where does this? This broke off. Oh, there's the post. Shall we try the glue there? What kind of thing is this? Is regular. Well, do I want to try with more glue? Get more messy glue. The other one's nice, it's on. That, of course, had to break off. Let's try the cuckoo crazy glue. don't trust this stuff, so we gotta get rid of it quickly. Mother bleeper. Oh, now that broke off. Wow. So that broke off. I wonder if this would hold. Let's see. Nah. Look at all that glue that's spilled in there. One little drop. Not good. So maybe this is the day of fixing things with mechanical parts instead of gluing it. So, hey, I've got an idea. If we could shove something in there and something around this, like a piece of insulation. Maybe we could do this. A little piece of this, about that big. One piece of wire in it. Here's an idea. I love the old telephone cable. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave this yellow one out so we could see it. We're going to take these wires out for another project. I'm going to put this in here. We're going to loop this up through that. We're going to shove this down on this spike here. Well, that did a lot of good. That broke the spike off. Oh, still there. It is still there. Now, hold on there a second, little doggy. Just gonna widen this up a bit. No. Doesn't want to go. Nope. Guess I could snip it a little. No. Maybe spare plastic piece. Spare plastic piece. Garbage plastic that I save all the time. Let's see. Almost there. Okay, she's in. All right. Now, got a little spike. And now instead of using that shitty glue, we'll use some glue we can trust. Tester's glue, it won't go wild. Dropped all kinds of shit out of it. That's how those things get lost. Those tubes. All right. Now. All right, I'll be back.